Shirley Moreno, Lloyd Blanco. Court 5, standby. Deluxe 1 sa labas, Christian Antiliano, Anthony Ballesteros, George Espinosa, Rogeles Carlo. Please proceed to Deluxe 1, court sa labas.
Kasi na ba? Nabago na. Wala pa kaya. Wala sa hindi kaya. Telephone.
Court 5, Cesar Tunisac Jr., Christopher Robledo, Shirley Moreno, Lloyd Blanco. Please proceed to Court 5.
Agent Erickson Cruz. Erickson Cruz, please proceed to court number 4 for your first match.
Kasi si Jamie.
Nice, Colby!
Agent Mayor, asan ka? Court 4.
Thank you.
Pinoy Shuttlers Singapore would like to thank the sponsors for this year's tournament. Victor, the official partner of the Pinoy Shuttlers Singapore Badminton Tournament 2015. SP Rochelle Oculus, authorized rep of AIA Singapore Private Limited. Jollibee Singapore, Jalibida Ansaya, Shane Morales, Senior Marketing Director of ERA. PRA Network, your professional and trusted property specialist. NB Singapore, the most admired and trusted remittance center. Greenfield Development Corporation, Philippines' most diversified real estate company. Spina Cebu, Pinoy Airgun, PSI Custom Sportswear, official sports gear of the PSS for 2015, and World Champ Distributor, the exclusive distributor of Victor Goods in Singapore. Thank you very much.
Last call for the Jollibee orders. Yung mga orders for the Jollibee, last
Iba. Yan! Nice one. Isa lang.
Calling all participants who would like to try the Esquina Cebu food. The food will be available only up to 4 p.m. today. Again, calling all participants who want to try the very famous lechon Cebu from Esquina. You have until 4 p.m. today to check out their food. The food booth is at the registration booth. Thank you.
Deluxe 3 para sa labas, Luigi Nesper Benzi Garcia, Cyrone Espinosa, Ryan Guerrero. Deluxe 3 sa labas, Luigi Nesper Benzi Garcia, Cyrone Espinosa, Ryan Guerrero.
Parang galit na galit sa kanya.
Hindi. Hindi naman. Doon siya masaya, go lang. Kung gusto sila gusto maglaro, sige go. Oo, si yan, sila Renibik yun eh. Tinan mo ko mananalo pa sila, oh. Siya na lang.
Candy na!
Meron na?
Ay!
Stand by for court number 2. Stand by for court number 2. Finalists for women's level E finals.
No.
Women's level E finals. Please stand by for court number
Depende sa
2.
sinabi na ano. Ito ko piling.
Yes!
Ay pa yan!
Deluxe 3 para sa labas, Luigi Nesper Benzi Garcia, Cyrone Espinosa, Ryan Guerrero. Please proceed to Deluxe 3 para sa labas.
On court number 2, Women's C Finals, Nina Limaro and Pino Limero Campo versus Shine Maclona and Joanna Ayamari. Court number 2, Women's C Finals.
Ngayon, okay na. Yan ang susunod.
Deluxe 1 para sa labas.